Hi, I'm Professor Chris Bobrowski, part of the music faculty and the music and technology program. I'm really happy that we're able to offer new interfaces for making music here at the College of San Mateo. Not only is it an elective of the music and technology program, it also makes wonderful use of the CSM library makerspace. Students can come from a variety of backgrounds, whether they have interests in music or computers and technology or in making, tinkering. They're welcome to join this class where we really create our own instruments. Whether that's amplifying little boxes and found objects, or whether that's designing our own digital MIDI interfaces, or whether that's using Arduinos and little microprocessors to continuously control sound in completely new ways.
Try again later.